Udaipur Rajdhannagar Amchiyo MPP Prokmar Devni Noganawo Kraksali Horo Kirima Sincha Boyarengkha Apati Mumbai Sbai Sukrubjaka Baite Malkhong Horbai Khamai Thapla Chaka Gobangma Phalno Robo Buto Khaijabang Bai Gobangma no Shakduku Manka Tabuk Amchiyo Siring Chara Ongphano Thom Thom Mungjak Halo Babai Shaw Cpim T BJP ni Ojamaro Patimanantuye Khoroksati Khoroksani Shakawo Yasi Shulaitongo O Patimanantuye Police Swrai Ke Khuk Khengkha.
Yesterday, one political clash between BJP and Cpim took place in Rajdhannagar area under Kakraban police station, Gomati. In the clash, 3 shops and few vehicles have been damaged. Police immediately reached the spot and took the situation under control. In this matter, 2 FIRs have been registered. 1 person has been arrested and 7 persons were detained for interrogation. Some reports have appeared in the media that in this incident, attack has taken place in the house of senior political functionaries and there is a communal angle in it. It is clarified that these reports are false and are not based on facts. Necessary police deployment has been done. Situation is under control and sharp watch is being maintained. Jai Hind.